Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have another what I eat in a day for weight loss for you guys. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nadifa and I have lost over 50 pounds and I like to share what I typically like to eat in a day for weight loss with you guys. So I like to eat about 15 to 1600 calories a day. This is a calorie deficit that is customized and works for me and my body. So I do want to mention that everyone's calorie deficit is going to be different, so don't follow me exactly, but I like to make these videos just to give you guys inspiration and insight on kind of what I like to eat and what works for me, and just to give you guys again inspiration and ideas on meals that you can eat yourself to help you with your weight loss journey. So like I mentioned, everyone's calorie deficit is going to be different. You know, it's honestly based on your height, your weight, your activity level, your age, your gender. There's so many factors to consider when calculating a calorie deficit. So it's really important that you figure out what specific deficit works for you. So what I'm going to do is leave a calorie calculator down below in the description box that I love to use that helps me figure out what my deficit should be. So you can use that and figure out what your deficit should be as well. So before I jump into the video, I do want to just share some before and after photos with you guys, just so you guys can get an idea of my journey and how far along I've come. So here are some photos, you guys. So I do want to mention that not only do I eat in a calorie deficit, I do exercise regularly. You of course do not have to exercise in order to lose weight. You can just eat in a calorie deficit and you will see results, but working out definitely does help. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for the intro. Now we're gonna jump right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get started with breakfast. I'm going to be making a breakfast wrap. I have been loving this lately, and pretty much I have all the ingredients that I use in front of me. So for the bread, I love using the Dempster's original tortillas, and I love these because they are only 100 calories, as you guys can see, so super calorie efficient, and I just love them. So I'll show you guys how I like to heat them up on the stove. And then of course I have an egg, and then I'll usually go ahead in with 2 chicken bacon strips, Zabia halal bacon strips, and these are pretty good for calories too. So 2 slices is 60 calories, which is not bad. And then I also love to go ahead in with this Cracker Barrel cheese. This is the light version, and I love them because again, they're super low cal. You can see they're only 60 calories per slice. So yeah, that's pretty much what I like to use. So we're gonna go ahead in and make the wrap now. Alright guys, so I have everything I need for my wrap. So basically what I'll do is I'll go in and I will put the cheese, and then I'll just go ahead in with the bacon and then put the egg on top. And I will just pretty much fold it like that and then eat it. And it's so delicious, you guys. It's such a good breakfast wrap. I'm so obsessed. So yeah, usually with this I will make like coffee or matcha latte. Today I'm feeling an iced matcha latte because the weather is really nice. You know, spring is coming and I love having iced matcha lattes during the spring summertime, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make that. But this is breakfast, you guys. Look how delicious this looks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I like to make my iced matcha latte. I have shown this in previous videos, but I did kind of change up my recipe just a little bit. So usually I like to go ahead in with soy milk, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store this time around. So I'll be going in with just some almond milk. So I have the Silk unsweetened almond milk right here. And I'm gonna go ahead in with just about a cup of milk. So for matcha, you guys know I love using the David's Tea Grand Cru matcha. So I'll be going ahead in with about, I want to say 1.5 teaspoons of this. And to sweeten the matcha, I'll be going in with the Torani sugar-free vanilla syrup, and I like to go in with 2 teaspoons of this. So that's pretty much it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this for like a minute or so, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Look how amazing that looks, you guys. I am so excited. I love matcha. So this is pretty much my breakfast, you guys. I have this delicious breakfast wrap and this super yummy matcha latte. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and I'll see you guys at lunch. Okay guys, so it is lunchtime and I'm going to be making a tuna salad sandwich, and I'll probably have some fruits on the side as well. So I have some bread right here. I love this bread. It's so tasty and it's so fluffy, and the calories are actually really good. You can see for 2 slices is only 150 calories, and that's actually the same as the Dempster's thin slice bread. So once I figured that out, I started grabbing this bread instead of the Dempster's bread because this one is just so much more satisfying to eat. It's so fluffy and soft and just so good, you guys. Definitely recommend this. And of course I have some tuna here as well, and to make the tuna salad I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon of mayo and probably a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of this Frank's Red Hot Sauce buffalo sauce, and I'm also gonna go ahead in with this Clubhouse roasted garlic pepper seasoning. This Clubhouse seasoning is so good in the tuna salad. I absolutely love it. It really adds a nice flavor, especially with the Frank's Red Hot Sauce. And then of course I have just some lettuce here. All right, so I have my tuna right here, you guys. I absolutely love tuna. It's such a great low calorie protein option. It's really great for weight loss. So I have the entire can right here, and I'm gonna go ahead in with about 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, just about that much. And then of course I'm just going to sprinkle on some of this seasoning. And now I'm just gonna go ahead in and give this a good mix. Okay guys, so I just went ahead in and toasted my bread, and now I'm just gonna go ahead in and add the tuna. I don't usually go in with the entire can. I would say I eat about maybe like 3/4 of the can. There's usually a little bit of mix left over, and I'll give it to like someone in my family and they'll just eat it with crackers, or I'll just put it in the fridge and I'll eat it later with crackers. But I think I'm gonna give it to my mom because she loves when I make this mix. You guys, it's so tasty. Like just adding a little bit of Frank's Red Hot Sauce and that seasoning by Clubhouse makes such a big difference. Like it literally brings your tuna salad onto another level, and it's just so flavorful. So I have a little bit left. I'm just gonna give that to my mom. Just gonna add some lettuce now. So I have some pineapple in my fridge, so I think I'm gonna have some of this on the side with my sandwich. So I'm gonna put some pineapple in this little bowl. I love this little bowl because it just keeps from any fruit going on to like my sandwich or any other stuff that's on my plate. And also it's nice portion control as well. So I'm just gonna fill this up with some pineapples. So this is my lunch, you guys. This is a delicious tuna salad sandwich with amazing flavor, you guys. Definitely try out my recipe. And it's also great protein, low calorie. And then I have some delicious fruit on the side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and I'll see you guys at dinner. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get started with dinner. For dinner today, I'm going to be making some fish, a nice salad, and some couscous on the side. So today I have bassa fish, and the recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys you can use with any other fish of your choice. Usually I'll make this recipe with salmon, but I don't have any salmon at home right now. But I do have this fish, so I'm just going to be using this today. And I have 3 pieces here because I'm making some for my family as well. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go in with some lemon juice. So I'm just going to go in and coat the fish with that. Then I like to go in with some salt. I like to go in with some black pepper. I like to go in with some cumin. Then I like to go in with some coriander powder. And lastly, I like to go in with some red chili pepper. So that's pretty much it, you guys. You can definitely marinate this in advance and leave it in the fridge, and the flavor will definitely seep into the meat more and it'll taste even better. But you can also just go ahead and do it the day of. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this on a frying pan. So I'm just gonna go in with some olive oil. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I just mixed the seasoning into the couscous. So I have about 1 cup of couscous like I showed you guys. So now what I'm going to do is go in with 1 cup of hot water. And I'm going to go ahead and just cover this up, and the couscous is going to cook for a couple of minutes. And it's just going to cook with the hot water and the steam. And I'll show you guys the final product once it's done. Alright you guys, so it's been a few minutes. So, whoa, as you guys can see, the couscous is all done. I'm going to give it a nice stir. And there you go, you guys. That is literally how I like to make my couscous. It's so delicious. If I'm being real with you guys, I haven't had rice in a hot minute. I always just have couscous. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna plate my food and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay you guys, so this is pretty much my dinner. Look how great my plate looks. I have this delicious healthy fish. I have an amazing fresh salad that my sister made for me that I love, and then I have some healthy carbs here. I have some couscous. So I absolutely love this meal. I've been having it quite a bit, and like I mentioned, you don't have to use basa fish. You can use any fish that you like. Usually I do have it with a salmon, and it's really, really good, you guys. But I'm sure you can try it out with any other fish and it's going to taste really good. So yeah, this is pretty much my dinner, you guys. Okay guys, so it is the end of the night and I'm just having a quick snack. So I have some cashews here and a banana. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this where I share what I like to typically eat in a day for weight loss, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And of course, if you guys want more inspiration on meals that I typically like to eat for weight loss, I do have a bunch of other videos just like this one up on my channel. So I'll have that playlist linked up here and also down below in the description for you guys to check out. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.